Guys, we built an absolute trash gaming PC. For $725, we got a dual-core Celeron with an RX 550, and I don't even know what to do with it now.
We should probably sell it at PC Bros. But before we go to the comments and complain, we're gonna sell it for a very awesome price, and we're gonna tell you about that after a word from today's sponsor.
Gaming at 1440p is becoming the new standard, and today's video sponsor, KTC, can get you into 1440p gaming on a budget. Today we have their H27T22 27-inch 1440p 180Hz monitor with a super fast 1 millisecond grade-to-grade response time, a vibrant IPS display perfect for gamers and content creators, and a flexible quick-release stand to adjust and position your monitor with ease. Their monitors also come with built-in blue light filtering for those long gaming sessions to limit eye strain. In terms of input, this monitor comes with a great selection, including 2 DisplayPort 1.2 connectors and an HDMI 2.0. This monitor's display not only looks great, the actual monitor itself will fit in very nicely with your gaming setup with built-in RGB lighting and a very gamer aesthetic. Listen, it is time to upgrade to 1440p. I know your gaming PC can handle it, and you should definitely check the link down below to get the best pricing on a 1440p monitor from today's sponsor, KTC. Big thanks again to KTC for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get back into the video, shall we?
So this computer right here, we spent $700 on for a video where we built the worst rated gaming PC using Newegg, and as you can see from the benchmarks on screen, if you missed that video, it don't play games very well.
Yeah, it's horrible. It got one of our worst cent per point scores ever. $725 all in, and we'll show you guys some actual receipts so that you don't think we're lying, but the whole point of the video was to build an awful gaming PC. We wanted it to be the worst rated parts, and it actually worked. It worked like well in a sense that the games didn't crash or anything, but it barely plays games. Honestly, it is a glorified office PC at best. It just looks cool and was way overpriced. And it's kind of hard to figure out what to do with something like this afterwards. It's like you can't really sell it at PC Bros without getting flamed. Even to try to recoup a little bit of money, it'd still be bad. Even if we sold this for $300, I think we'd still get flamed.
So what we decided to do is, let's sell this PC for, I don't know, $1. And this time, which we have done this before with a high-end PC that was actually good, we're gonna do a little in-person experiment and sell this up front at our shop, PCBros.tech. If you guys didn't know, you can come in person, Louisville, Kentucky, and buy a gaming PC today. And we're just gonna leave it up there with a very hidden price tag showing that it is $1, and we're just gonna see how long will it take for somebody to walk into the store and buy this computer for $1.
Yeah, the last time we did this, we put it on the website for $1, and obviously we do have thousands of people that go to the website, but we don't get that much foot traffic, so how long do you guys think it's gonna sit?
So let's go ahead, get it all ready, and see when it sells. Our computer is here and reset and ready to go. Look at the specs on here and that price tag.
Yeah, so as we said before, if you guys want to watch the actual video on this PC, we did spend $725 on this PC. So we did like a little slash through it, put that $1 price in my horrible handwriting, so it'll probably be even harder to see. But that's the goal here. We don't want the first person to just stumble upon it. We want someone to actually have to be looking for a gaming PC to see this.
So yeah, it's a beauty, and we have our upfront person, Jake, who will come get us when the person shows up. But the idea is we're all gonna have this PC up there while we are here, because we're not here the entire time, and we don't want it to sell where we're not here, and that means the video just won't have any content to it. So we're gonna go ahead and bring it up front, and we'll talk to Jake and introduce you guys to Jake at PC Bros.
Yeah, we definitely need to do everything right for this PC to sell on camera.
Oh, Jake.
See, we gotta put it in order of pricing, and since this is so cheap.
Yeah, we have so many computers over here at PCBros.tech.
Make it obvious, we'll even put a power cord to it, so it's actually on.
So people actually see some RGB and they're like, oh, let me take a look at that
what's
one.
What's that thing?
I'm waiting for the comment we get from somebody to be like, that PC is a hazard. You shouldn't even sold it for anything. It should be e-waste.
That's why there's no warranty. No, I think the ultimate goal with this is like, hey, it'll play some esports games, guys. It's great for office work, and in all
also,
honesty,
the motherboard is good.
That's what I'm saying. SSD 2 terabyte, motherboard B460 mortar. The graphics card, honestly, not that bad. If someone wanted to literally just upgrade the CPU, upgrade the power supply, they have a really good build at that point.
But yeah, Jake will keep an eye on this build and come and get us when somebody comes into the shop. It is currently Friday, so hopefully we'll get some good traffic with people coming in.
And the goal is he's gonna act dumb.
Yes.
He's gonna be like, why? I don't know why it's $1. That must be a typo.
Yes, and come and get us, and we'll explain it, and we'll be like, hey, this PC is bad. Are you sure you want it? It is $1, and hopefully we can make somebody's day with a $1 PC. I just realized that the CPU fan is not spinning.
Oh, I wonder if
You did some fan
when I
curves,
did the
didn't
fan
you?
curves, I wonder if potentially I lowered it so much that it is able to stop.
So hopefully that's the case. We'll
Hopefully
find
that's
out.
what that means.
Again, $1 PC, ladies and
Hey,
gentlemen.
before we actually sell it, we'll bring it to the back and,
We'll make sure that's right. All right, guys, so it is the end of the first day, and unfortunately it did not sell, and well, let's just talk about it, Jake. So some people came in, didn't notice it, and it looks like you added a change to it to make it a little more prominent for day 2.
Yeah, I figured instead of having the $1 down there, I figured I would rewrite the thing and then put a big, explodey sign there for people to see.
You would think people wouldn't miss that, but today ended up missing it. No one ended up seeing it, right?
Yeah, we had a lot more repair drop-offs than anybody coming in to looking to buy stuff today. So
Gotcha. Well, hopefully on day 2 we'll have better luck, but it is Friday, so we're gonna have to wait the weekend until Jackson and I get back on Monday. We'll put it out there and hopefully it'll sell because it's a $1 PC, guys. Y'all might be kicking yourself if you walk in the store and you missed it.
It's a pretty bad. Why did it say $1? I'll take it for $1. My ADHD caught the better of me, and I just noticed it. I was like, hold up. Yeah, something's not right here.
So we were working on another project for video purpose here on the channel, and Jake came in and told us, today's Monday, we took it off the shelf on Friday. And we put it up just a few hours ago, and somebody has found the $1 PC.
And you said that he has a buddy?
yeah, he has a buddy who's looking to buy a PC, and they're both out there right now. He saw it and he was just like, my ADHD caught the better of me.
All right, well, let's go tell him how bad it is.
Let's go tell him, let's be honest. Okay. Hey, how's it going?
What's up?
Oh, the $1 computer, huh?
We were in the middle of a conversation. I saw that and I was like, huh?
So for context, if you guys are okay being on camera for this,
Yeah, that's fine.
this computer's bad. It's pretty bad, like really bad. Like it has.
He said, he's like, this is what you'd make with leftover parts.
Yeah, so
Pretty much,
it
yeah.
has a Pentium, it has an RX 550. Power supply's a little suspect. Case is actually okay. The case is actually fine, but we spent a
Actually
ton
gets
of
to see
money
the-
on this build for a video.
And then you can't see the other parts, but you can at least see the horrible power supply. Basically like $712 for this thing.
So it's $1, and if you want it, it's yours for $1.
No warranty though.
That's fine.
Do you want a $1 computer?
Is the CPU fan supposed to be on?
Oh, we'll fix that.
We'll fix that. That we need to fix.
So if you want it, we'll fix that first.
Yeah, we'll take it for $1.
He's
All
gonna
right.
take it for $1. Let's go. Let's get it
Cool.
fixed up, and we'll be good to go there. But the PC has sold for $1. Let's go.
Profit margins. This switch is messed up, but the fan spins.
Hey, it's spinning. We're good to go. Hey, someone came in. They bought it for $1. They're gonna enjoy it. I mean, they could use some of
has a
this stuff.
great-
The
yeah,
motherboard
great
is
upgrade path.
worth way more than $1. The RAM works. Everything's good. So
Oh, right there.
hey, they're gonna get it. They get it for $1. They're gonna
Yeah, you
enjoy
guys can
it.
come back here if you want.
Yeah.
So wait, is it for you or for your friend?
No, I was the one who jumped on it.
Okay.
Yeah, I actually just came in for internal SSD. I got a 1
Is your
terabyte.
friend jealous?
Probably.
Matt and I were just talking about it, and you may or may not know this, but this does have a really good upgrade path because is it a B460 or B5?
B460.
Yeah, so you can do 10th or 11th gen Intel on it, and you can just get rid of this Pentium, and then it's already like a way better build. If you just add like a 10th gen i3 for $60 or something, this actually be pretty good.
Yeah.
We just didn't want to do it.
That's fair. Yeah, you guys were at your wits' end. You wanted to get rid of it.
We just want to get rid of it.
Yeah.
We put it together. It was a mess, and we're like, it's time to just pass it on for $1.
Yeah, that was awesome. I came in for an SSD and
You leave with a
came out
$1
with
computer.
Yeah, came out with a whole ass computer.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
All right, guys. Well, the $1 PC sold. It only took a day to sell, surprisingly. We did have one regular come in that did notice the PC, and we kind of had to tell him to hush hush about that. But it was cool having some kind of random guys off the street that were able to find it themselves. The guy kind of went ADHD mode, and while Jake was talking, just went and found the PC. So that's pretty cool.
That's the perfect clientele for us, to be honest. And hey, worked out, got a really good basis for a system in the future. And the fact that, yes, it does suck in its current configuration at $1, and they know it does suck, they can work with that and make a pretty awesome budget gaming PC out of it. So if you want to come shop in person, check out PC Bros in Louisville, Kentucky. You definitely should come in and take advantage of some of the deals. Not going to promise $1 PCs every single day, but if you come to the store, you can find some really awesome deals, or shop online at pcbros.tech.
So we hope you guys enjoyed today's little experiment. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
PCBros.tech.
Damn, that's awesome. PCBros.tech. Buy a gaming PC today. If we haven't talked about PC Bros enough, I don't know.
Buy some merch too. You see that, Jonah, right there? See all that merch? Hats now too, baby.
PC Bros Hot Tech.